Alright, what's going on, guys? The Pegues Way here. Want to review a new product. I bought this yesterday. I've been looking on YouTube. I have not seen anybody do a review on this product yet, so hopefully maybe this is the first one. I'm very curious about this product. I had a gift card to Walmart for like 30 bucks. This product costs 188 bucks, so you do the math. I got a little discount on it, technically. So I'm very interested in this product. I already pre-opened it and charged the battery, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys so you guys can see what's in the box. All right, walking over to the box. Got the instruction manual, the unit itself. This is the battery. This is the charger. Go ahead and get everything out the box and show you guys what we got. Itself looks very nice. Hopefully it works as well as it looked. Kind of do a quick walk around. Of course, the release for the trigger. This is your chain tightener. It doesn't have one of the screws like a Greenworks or Sunjo. 14-inch bar, as you guys can see. Comes with the guard. Flip it around. There. The battery goes here on it. It's a 40-volt battery. Here is the chain and bar oil reservoir. I think it's a chain and bar oil reservoir here, and it's a 6-ounce. Let's see what else does it has. It does not have a bar or chain brake or chain clutch. Also, it has a carrying slot for the tool to tighten the chain. But the one downside I see to this unit already is that if you're out trimming or you're out cutting trees, this is very loose. You can see I'm barely putting any pressure, and it's kind of just, it's just kind of falling out. So I'm pretty sure if you get the vibration from the saw cutting wood, it's going to just fall out. So the one downside of this Hart unit already is that this tool just kind of falls out. And like I said, this is where you tighten it. It has a quick tighten screw here. So we're gonna throw the battery in it and run it for you guys, see how it works, and then we're gonna go see how it works on some trees. A 40-volt, 4-amp-hour battery. Very nice sized battery. Seems to be good quality. It has a indicator so you can see where your battery is. Like I said, I already pre-charged the battery. It took about 2.5 hours to fully charge. So there you go. Turn it around. Make sure everything is out of the way. Slide the battery in. The battery is in. Check. I'm gonna put some bar and chain oil in here, and then I'll get back with you. Of course, this is dead, so it shouldn't have Just back with a quick little update. I'll probably cut about 8 or 10 1 to 4 inch trees. It's ran good. My tool actually stayed in the back. I forgot and left it in there while I was cutting, and it stayed in there. So what I'm about to do, first I'm gonna remove this battery. Try to do it with one hand. Remove this battery and do a little chain tightening. The chain got loose on me, got hung up in a branch. All right, guys, I'm back. Quick update. I just loosened my 2 screws here and tightened my chain back up. It's been running good. Like I said, I've cut probably about 10 trees this size. A lot of them's kind of on this brush pile now. Sorry I haven't been able to get you guys a good video. My tripod is out of commission right now, so I've been just kind of cleaning up this area right here around the back of the house. So it's been cutting good. I mean, really good. I haven't had any issues with it yet, so I'm liking it. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to get you this one last video. Got 2 bars left. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to cut this one last tree. I'm gonna just lay it down. I'm not gonna cut it up right now. I've done enough back here for today. I got to finish on the front, but just wanted to kind of get you guys some video on this. It's been running really well. Once I found out that you couldn't put too much oil in here, it was leaking like crazy at first. Usually put it right below the filler net and you won't have any issues, and it's been doing good. I just say just tighten the chain on it. It's been running strong. Of course, the blades are really sharp, so it's been just chewing through stuff. I'm gonna try to get in here and knock these 3 trees right here down, and that'll be it for today.